You can find your own passion in the details and how you approach it and go about it. Let me tell you a quick story about Michelangelo. He was known for making an amazing statue. The statue was called David. When he made this statue, he decided to pick a very oblong piece of marble, one that nobody said that they could work with. It was there supposedly sitting for a long time. After he made this statue, David, people came up to him and said, "How did you make David out of that?" Michelangelo's reply, this is a loose translation, of course, into English, but in so many words he was saying that David, the statue, was always there. I simply had to find him. What a way to look at something. What a way to look at details. Now, Michelangelo was patient. Supposedly the story goes that he would take weeks or even sometimes a month to just polish an arm and sand parts of the veins. You know, when I looked at that statue of David, I was so shocked because I could see veins in the marble. How is that possible? Especially back then, the technology, amazing. But Michelangelo was patient. He was passionate, but he realized he had to be patient in order to get this passion, this beautiful design that he made. He had to take his time. Well, the same is true when you're developing a speech. Spend time on the details. Find ways to get excited about what you're learning. Whether it be you find some exciting stories or a background about it that you really enjoy. Also, realize the audience that you're talking to. Want to teach them something. Want to let them be enjoying this situation with you. Realize that their time is valuable too, not only yours. So give them something great. Embrace it together. You might say, well, I don't necessarily always find the passion in every situation. There's obviously plenty of boring situations. You know there is, but your perspective has a lot to do with how you treat each situation. We've already learned that you can discover and dig up stories and quotes and statistics and facts that are exciting, even though it's on a boring subject or a boring topic. You can make it interesting. But let's take it to the next level. What if you can change your perspective even on how you view it? It reminds me of the shoe salesmen they would sell for these specific shoemaker companies. And these shoe salesmen, they sailed to Africa. Well, when they got there, the first salesman, he sent a telegram back home saying, in Africa, nobody here wears shoes. There's no market, I'm coming home. The second salesman, his telegram was night and day opposite. He sent the message right to the chief, and he said, send millions of shoes. No one here wears shoes. Market is wide open. Same exact situation, totally different how they viewed and looked at what they can gain and what they can give. Same with passion. You have to look at it in a different light. When you're in the situation, when you have a presentation to give, whether it be for a group, a team, whoever it may be, are you motivating them? Are you not motivating them? Are you simply teaching or educating? What are you doing? But in that process, how can you be excited about it? Do you need to learn more about it to get excited about it? Then learn more about it. Do you need to spend more time on the details? Grasp the situation better. Either way, insert passion, infuse it in your speeches, and I guarantee it'll take them to the next level. If you can then insert all of these other teachings, you'll be unstoppable.